Functional Fitness PLR. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Functional Fitness PLR, brand new Functional Fitness Blueprint plus complete sales funnel and promotional materials with private label rights. Introducing Functional Fitness PLR. Functional fitness is the ultimate fitness blueprint for those who want to start exercising to be healthy, have better mobility, and look at their very best, all without spending long hours in the gym, and have actual strength for real-life application, not just lifting dumbbells. This detailed blueprint will help you learn everything you need to know about functional fitness, the 4 main components of functional fitness, daily exercises to develop crucial movements and strengths, the main benefits of functional fitness, and much more waiting to be revealed inside. Ultimately, this is your go-to health and fitness guide if you want to effectively gain strength and size while avoiding injury and improving your overall physiological well-being. That said, people are going to love this topic as it's one of the hottest, most discussed topic in the fitness community. This is the guiding hand for those who want to have a well-balanced physique and strength gains, build unshakable self-confidence, get their dream body faster than they could ever imagined, improve overall mobility and flexibility, be in the best shape of their life, dominate their life by becoming the absolute best version of themselves physically, mentally, and emotionally, have unstoppable bursts of energy, radiating positive vibes, creative, and insanely motivated to achieve more in life. Health and fitness is an ever-growing multi-billion-dollar industry, so if you're still not invested in this niche, you're denying your slice of this $30 billion goldmine. This is exactly how this high-quality fitness PLR came about. We're incorporating powerful stories and value-packed content blueprint, present you the simplest yet powerful guide with complete, done-for-you sales funnel and all the sales materials for easy resell and profit. So, who can you sell this to? Business owners who want a slice of the $30 billion industry. Health and fitness coaches who are hungry for new content for their own blog or website. Anyone who wants to build muscle and gain monstrous strength. Anyone who is interested in enhancing health and self-discovery regardless of age, sex, profession, or ethnicity. Simply said, the target market for this product is extremely broad. Shadow ornament. Functional fitness in a nutshell. Here's what you'll discover in this course: the real reason why many people are demotivated to work out, and how this simple trick helps you combat this problem. Why you should start working out with your own body weight. Aiming for the perfect 10/10ths body. Here's why you should drop that idea for now, revealed in Chapter 1. Why morning working out will give you better results compared to other times in the day. Why a 15 minutes functional exercise is better than working out for 2 hours in the gym. 3 main benefits of functional fitness. The differences between functional fitness and 3 other popular types of exercises. 4 common mistakes people make when getting started with functional fitness. Is dieting the main solution for weight issues? 8 exercises to build your power and strength. Why having massive strength and power are pointless without a good flexibility. 3 simple exercises to keep you flexible. 3 simple exercises to improve your balance and endurance. Tired of running up and down the stairs? If yes, you need to improve the 4th component of functional fitness. And so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.